Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream using heavy cream. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk for at least 50 minutes beforehand also significantly helps the whipping process. This simple step creates a better environment for the cream to emulsify. You'll also need a touch of powdered sugar and vanilla extract for flavor and stability. Now let's get to whipping. Begin by pouring your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Start mixing on a low speed to avoid any splattering, especially if using an electric mixer. As the cream begins to thicken, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Keep a close eye on the consistency, whipping until you achieve your desired soft or firm peaks. Over-whipping can turn it into butter, so stop just right. Once your whipped cream reaches the perfect consistency, it's time to add flavor. Gently fold in vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon per cup of cream, or other flavorings like almond extract or citrus zest. For sweetness, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar per cup of cream. Mix until just combined. Store any leftover whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain its freshness. Here are a few extra tips for perfect whipped cream every time. Remember, over-whipping is the most common mistake. Stop as soon as your desired peaks form to avoid a grainy texture. For more stable whipped cream, especially if serving outdoors, consider adding a small amount of cream cheese or gelatin. This helps it hold its shape longer. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your homemade whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.